Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to access your teacher webpage and how to edit your teacher webpage. So first, open up a browser. Internet Explorer, Chrome, or Firefox works just fine, but just keep in mind if for some reason the page doesn't load correctly or if you're having issues while you're editing your page, just switch over to another browser. It may be a compatibility issue or a browser issue at the moment. So again, the teacher webpage should work just fine in Internet Explorer, Chrome, or Firefox, but again, you can always switch from one browser to another. Alright, so once you have a browser open up, go to www.staffordmsd.org. That's the district website. Then top left corner, you click on select a school and select your campus. So I'm just going to use elementary school for this video. Then you will scroll to staff and teachers, or staff or teachers depending on your campus, how it's labeled for your campus website. So once you scroll there, scroll to your grade level and then scroll to your name, find your page, and then you click on your page. So scroll until you find your name and then you click on your name. Alright, so once you're here, you need to log in. Top right corner next to the search box. Your username is the first part of your email, so it's ktran without the @staffordmsd.org. So again, just the first part, and then your password is the same as your laptop or email. Mine is going to be different because I'm using an administrator's account, but your username will be just the first part of your email without the @staffordmsd.org, and the password is the same as your laptop or your email. So once you type that in, click on login, and then you should see these tool options at the top. If you logged in and you do not see these tools at the top and you are on your page, please contact me or Stephanie, the secondary ITS, if you're one of the secondary teachers, for us to look at your page to find out what the problem is. Alright, so once you're here, you're on your page, there are two ways to edit your page. You can turn on the design mode by just clicking on this button. It'll switch it over to on. Or you can go to page options and click on checkout and edit page. So whichever one works best for you. So I'm just gonna, for the first part, I'm gonna do design mode. I'm gonna switch this on. Okay, so you don't have to worry about this part up here. Just scroll down to your page, go to the content area, and then click on the pencil to start editing. And then just put your cursor in here and start typing away. You can type anything you want. I would recommend for your home page or the landing page a short bio about yourself and then your contact information. How can parents contact you? Your extension, your room number, and your email address. Alright, so okay, so once you've typed up your text, if you want to insert pictures, you just scroll up here and go to the image manager icon, which is like a mountain with a sun on the horizon. And if you hover over it, it'll tell you image manager. So you click on image manager, and then you can create folders to help yourself stay organized. If not, just go ahead and click on the upload button. Click on select, and you will select a picture from your computer somewhere. I'm just going to pick one. And then click on upload. Alright, so before you can insert a picture, you need to add the alt text, which is on the properties tab. So once you uploaded the picture, make sure the correct picture is selected. Click on properties and go to alt text and just type in a short description or a short name for the picture. So cafe. And then click on insert. So if you click on insert before adding the alt text, it will prompt you to do that. So once you've inserted your picture, you can resize if needed by selecting the picture. Once you select the pictures, you will see these little squares, the handlebars, and you can move them, adjust the picture to however you want it. So that's how you upload pictures, by click on the image manager icon, click on upload, select your picture from your computer, and then click on upload, and then go to properties and insert an alt text for the picture, and then click on insert. Alright, so to upload files such as your class schedules, your homework, or class policies, handbook, whatever the case is, whatever file it is, you would do it under Document Manager. So it's a little paper with an A on the paper clip. So pretty much the same steps. You can create folders to keep your files organized. Click on Upload. Select from your computer. So I'm just gonna find one. Open. Make sure it's attached all the way, and then click on Upload. And then for files, so just like images, you have to insert an alt text. For files, you have to insert a tooltip. So this would be Office 365 for students. Something short, something quick and easy. And then if you click on Target, what happens when the person click on this attachment or click on this link? Do you want it to open in the same window, or do you want it open in a new window? So you make that choice. And if you leave it at none, it'll just open in the same window. Then once you're done, you just click on Insert. There you go. That's your file right there. And if you want to hyperlink a website, let's say you want your students to go to studyisland.com and you want to hyperlink it, you type in the text. You select the text, and then you go up here to the globe with the chains linked together, and if you hover over it, it'll say Hyperlink Manager. You click on that. This is where you copy and paste the URL from the other tab. Again, your target here, if you want it to open in the same window or new window, if you leave it at none, it'll just open in the same window, and you have to insert the tooltip. Once you're done, just click OK, and there's it's linked now. So if you accidentally linked it to the wrong address, all you have to do is just select the text and then click on the other globe, and if you hover over it, it says Remove Link. So it's a globe with a broken chain. So the up here are your formatting tools, pretty similar to Word, Microsoft Word. Your alignment. Okay, so once you're done, you would just click Publish for the new stuff to go live. If you click Save, it's going to save what you've done so far, but it will not show up on the website. So you have to click Publish in order for it to go live for everybody to see. Once you're done, you can just turn this off by clicking on it and switching it back to off. So those are my changes. Now if I edit it the other way, if I go through Page Options and check out an Edit Page, you will see the same options in a different style. So under Page Content, right here, this is where you will edit your content, your text, your images, your links. These are the same tools that you saw earlier under Design Mode. And then to to publish, you just click on Publish at the top or down here at the bottom. If you put any text in here in the summary box, that's not going to show up on your page. So just make sure that if you're editing your page under the Page Options, check out an Edit Page Route, that you put all your text and your information here under Page Content, and again, Publish for information to go live. Okay, so just real quick, all the teacher templates comes with 4 additional pages. So if you are a new teacher watching this, you know you're not going to be using some of these pages. Go ahead and remove those pages, so that way when a parent is looking at your web page and they see one that's not being used, they're not thinking, oh, you're not keeping up with your pages. It's because you're just really not using it. So to hide one of your sub pages, you need to make sure you're on the home page, which would be your name right here. That's your home page. Then you go to Page Options, go down to Page Status, and then you would select the one. If you want to hide it temporarily, you're not sure if you're going to be using it, you don't want to delete it, just go ahead and hide the section. But if you know for sure you're not going to use it, then just check the box and archive. So you have 2 options. You can hide it temporarily. If you hide it, select Hide Section, close it. Or if you're going to archive, meaning you're going to get rid of it completely, check the box and archive. So I'm going to go ahead and archive these 2 pages. And then I'm going to hit close, and then the page will refresh on its own, and those subpages will disappear, and you'll just see the list of teachers. But let me go back to my page, and let's say, okay, never mind, I want the calendar to show. So I'm going to switch over to show and then close, and again the page will refresh on its own, and now I will see my subpages over here. So if you do not have any subpages at all, on the left you will see the list of the other teachers in your grade level. But if you do have subpages, this is where you will see your subpages. Now if you want to reorder your pages, maybe you want them in alphabetical order, or if you want the ones that are more important at the top, you just go to page options and click on page order and just drag and drop. Okay, so right now I have photo gallery hidden, but that's just one of my pages that I still have. So you just click drag and drop the order and make sure you click on update page order. If you need to add more pages, you click on the add page, and you can make sure you select content space page. That is the most basic page for you to create your content on. If you want to link it to an external website, you can choose the external link page. But I would say these 2 would be your most used or commonly used or frequently used pages: content space page or external link page. Now if you go under page options, just real quick, if you archived any subpages and you realize, oh, you know what, never mind, I may need that page after all, you can click on archive subpages and then unarchive it. Just bring it back. You can select a page theme under advanced options. So if you go to page theme, these are the different themes that's available to you. Just keep in mind that once you change it to a particular theme, you cannot go back to the original format, which is this. This is the original format that goes with the campus website. But once you change it to a theme, then there's no way to go back. Okay, so that's pretty much the gist of editing your teacher web page. If you want to do more advanced stuff, please let me or Stephanie know, and we can schedule some one-on-one time with you. But thank you for watching.